Hi, once again I'm back, Kaushik Chatterjee. In this video again we are going to discuss similarly on the home loan products, and this is one of the very interesting discussion. Plot we have discussed, land we have discussed, construction also we have discussed. So this is a combo of all three. So quite interesting, quite confusing also. So let me tell you, this is none other than plot plus construction loan. Right. So what exactly plot plus construction, and this is also typically known in banking terminology, is called composite loan. So what is composite loan? Composite loan is nothing but your plot plus your construction. Now, earlier video, as you have seen already, plot is different, land is different, construction is different. But there are some financial institute, even if I talk about a bank, if I talk about, let's say, any financial institute, they have to maintain some of the guidelines. Some extent they are not even able to fund you, they are not even able to sanction your loan due to xyz reason, right? Because of the guideline, because of the they are streamlined, whatever they have to follow even with the guidelines, right? But there is something called construction plus plot. Typically if I look out a composite loan, it will help you out just to maintain even your loan, even fall into a home loan. I'll come once again. This is very complicated. If you one line, if you are not even able to understand, that's what I'll repeat once again. So let's say there are some bank, even they are not going to fund, or let's say financial institute, they are not going to fund on your plot. So what, you have an option. So I'm not saying it will not be done. So what is the option you have left out? So the option is left out is it will be converted as your commercial loan. So we'll discuss commercial loan later. But yes, if I want to keep it as a home loan, so how you can convert this as a home loan when banks, as you rightly said, like they are not going to fund it, then how it will be falling under even construction and plot, even under even a home loan. So for that only there is a clause called by 2 years. Even though let's say somebody is not even ready to fund your plot, or let's say your land, whatever it is, you are going to look out for a fund, and that should be not a commercial loan, that should be even as a home loan. So for that there is a condition called by 2 years. Let me repeat once again. By 2 years, if you are going to construct on the same plot, on the same even land, that will be converted as a home loan. So again the question will come, so what do you mean, like I need to wait for another 2 years? So I'm not going to tell you that. What I'm trying to say, let's say somebody is not getting a plot loan, or let's say somebody is not going to get it convert as a home loan, right? Now what is the difference between commercial and why I'm talking about a home loan? So that we'll also discuss later. So my intention to tell you over here, like on your plot you can get a loan, and that plot, if you start a construction within 2 years, that both together it will be known as a composite loan, which is called P plus C, plot plus construction. Together it is known as a composite loan, and that together it can be converted as a home loan. Condition is, if initially if I'm not going to construct the house, let's say I have purchased the plot and I'm not going to construct the house immediately, so within 2 years you have to start the construction. For that 2 years, even whatever the approval, whatever the local authority, whatever the plan copy, everything even you can get ready. Now that will take even certain time, right? So for that, even the time period what you have, by this time if you are constructing, if you are going to start your construction, then definitely it will be converted as a home loan, and that together it will be known as a plot plus construction. It's a composite loan, which is very helpful, which is very even useful even for the person who is lending money and the person who is borrowing money, right? So both the way, even it will be, the criteria will be matched, and definitely the requirement will be also matched. Again, if I look out, one last thing I just want to add over here. So for plot, even there will be a different percentage of the funding, and again for the construction it will be a different funding of the percentage, right? So that again depends on the bank to bank, so I'm not going to give you any figure over here. But yes, let's say whatever my total, let's say composite loan, if I'm going to get, let's say X amount, on this X amount it will be divided, let's say, in certain percentage on my plot part, even certain percentage it will be for my construction part. So put together it will be my X amount of loan. That only I just want to share over here. So that also you should keep in mind, so that whenever you are going to apply, whenever you are going to talk with any banker or any kind of financial institute, so you should have everything in your mind. Yes, that way I can go, that way I can look out, that way I can decide, that way I can take a decision, and end of the day you should have all those information, right? So thanks for watching, and always welcome, as I always said. So whenever you have any questions, any queries, further any kind of discussion if you want, so you just a phone call away, you just a chat box away, you just a mailbox away. Thanks for watching.